Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a Kylie Jenner inspired Halloween lookbook. I actually got most of my inspiration from Kylie Jenner's Halloween costumes, so I guess it's gonna be more of a dressing up as Kylie, dressing up as. I just feel like she does an amazing job every year, so I wanted to recreate those ideas. If you like celebrity inspired looks, then don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Okay, so for my first costume, I actually picked the look from Kylie Jenner's 21st birthday. Because damn, I wish I looked that good when I turned 21. She got her custom jumpsuit for about $8,000, whereas I got this for $13 from AliExpress. I was a little skeptical about using this website, but everything worked out. It just took forever to come. Fashion Nova also started selling a similar version of this for about $30, and I will link that all down below. Along with the sequin suit, I wear a pair of pointed toe heels and a low ponytail similar to Kylie's. All I need now is a lit-ass party to walk into. Remember when Kylie Jenner dressed up as Christina Aguilera for Halloween? Cause I do, and I remember it was on point. I got a similar bra from Etsy for about $30, and I got the pants from Zara, which I actually had to get through Poshmark because I couldn't find these track pants anywhere else. It was about $20. I am going to try to find something similar, and I will link it down below. I paired the outfit with my white Vans, which I already had. I couldn't find the exact price that Kylie spent, but I see something similar on Etsy going for about $300. Also, if you want to go all out, you could definitely put a blonde wig on. I will link a DIY down below. Another costume that Kylie killed it in was the Eskimo Snow Queen one. I bought my top and bottoms from Shein for about $20 total, and I bought this fuzzy craft stem from Michaels and I just hot glued everything on. I also cut out some cloth material from a t-shirt to make this hood. It doesn't actually work very well though. I wrapped the same fuzzy material around my shoes, and I only ended up spending like $30 to make all of this. Kylie wore this sexy skeleton costume when she threw the Halloween party of the decade. At least it seemed that way from her Snapchats. I didn't put my face since I just want to show you what I would wear, but if you decide to go through with this, then definitely add some white paint. I will link down a tutorial below. I got this floral maxi dress from Shein for only about $15, and I paired it up with some flats that I already had. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.